Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying the new Outlook build and that your account is fully synced. This avoids invisible conflicts. Once confirmed, open Settings and navigate to Mail Then Rules or type Rules in the search bar to jump directly. Make a quick decision about scope. Inbox only versus all folders. Pick the narrower scope to test. Now create a simple rule using a sender or keyword. This first, small rule proves the path works before you add complexity. You now build complexity by combining conditions. Use sender, subject words, specific keywords, or whether an attachment exists. Then assign actions like move to a folder, delete, categorize, or forward to another address. Think about automation versus manual review. Once done, add exceptions to prevent overfiltering and arrange rules by priority so more specific rules run first. Make sure to test with sample emails. That reveals logic flaws before busy mailboxes are affected. Finish by running end-to-end tests. Send test messages that match each condition and observe actions. You should monitor results for a day, tweak rule order, and refine conditions as needed, then export or copy your rule set as a backup. If rules don't apply, try the primary troubleshooting step. Disable the rule, sign out, clear cache, sign back in, and re-enable. This often resets sync. If problems persist, simplify a rule to isolate the failing condition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.